Hello and welcome. This short video provides an overview of the FWO postdoctoral fellowship evaluation procedure. This video is part of a series of instruction videos to familiarize FWO panel members with our review processes. In this video, we'll cover two main topics: the evaluation steps and your tasks as a panel member. The procedure has two phases: a written review and online pre-selection, followed by interviews for selected candidates. In Phase 1, the scientific chair assigns applications to panel members, ensuring each gets 2 internal reviews. All applications to be reviewed at this stage basically meet the formal admissibility requirements. At the same time, the FWO is looking for 2 on-topic specialists who can write an external review of the application. Panel members assess broadly, while specialists provide external reviews. It goes without saying that should you, as a panel member, be asked to write an external review for a proposal submitted to the FWO, you should decline. For multidisciplinary projects, applicants may request that we select an external reviewer from a specific discipline outside of the panel scope. A total of 4 written evaluations are thus prepared in the first phase. Once the 4 evaluations are in, the rapporteur integrates them into a global assessment, adding their own input if needed. They weigh comments, score sub-criteria, and provide a final score, which serves as the basis for the pre-selection meeting. Next, the panel selects candidates for interviews in a pre-selection meeting. Before the meeting, FWO provides scores and a preliminary ranking. In the online meeting, candidates are reviewed, scores may be adjusted, and a final selection is made. The panel can invite up to twice the available fellowships. After the pre-selection meeting, rejected candidates exit the process, and their rapporteurs complete feedback reports. In Phase 2, selected candidates are interviewed in Brussels, focusing on the qualities of these researchers, their insight in the project, expertise, and scientific attitude. They receive new scores, leading to a final ranking that determines funding. Typically, half of the interviewed candidates are awarded a fellowship. After the panel meeting, rapporteurs finalize feedback reports, adjusting their original assessments based on the panel's decision, including comments from the interview. Now, let's go over the actions you need to take as a panel member, grouped into 3 phases: preparation, pre-selection, and selection interviews. In Phase 1, make sure to access the FWO e-portal, where applications and evaluations are shared and reviews are submitted. A separate video is available to guide you through the platform. In this phase, you'll be asked to report any conflicts of interest and rate your expertise for each application to help the chair with distributing the applications. A separate video explains how to submit this information. The scientific chair, with FWO support, distributes applications, assigning 2 internal reviewers and a rapporteur for each. You'll be informed which applications to assess, noting different deadlines for internal reviews and rapporteur reports. The second phase consists of the pre-selection and the preparation of this important meeting. This phase begins with panel members writing internal reviews using the scoring grid. Each application receives 2 internal reviews, while 2 experts prepare external reviews. In Step 4, the rapporteur combines the 4 reviews into a synthesis report using FWO's scoring grid to assign scores for all criteria. In Step 5, all reviews and synthesis reports are shared with panel members, along with a summary of scores and a preliminary ranking. This allows you to prepare for the online pre-selection meeting and identify any concerns. In Step 6, the pre-selection meeting itself, the panel can discuss the applications, scores, and reviews, and assign new scores to each application, using the rapporteur's score and reviews as a starting point. This leads to a new ranking, and the panel thus decides which candidates will proceed to the interview. After Step 6, rapporteurs write feedback reports for rejected candidates, based on their synthesis reports and the panel's final scores and consensus. In Phase 3, Step 8 involves preparing for interviews by formulating questions covering all evaluation criteria. Internal reviewers and the rapporteur prepare questions, but all panel members are encouraged to contribute. Use the interview score grid to guide question development. Formulate specific questions to assess, for example, the candidate's competencies, the groundbreaking nature of the research, and its methodology. In Step 9, the panel interviews candidates in Brussels, issues new scores for the candidate criterion, and may adjust project scores. A final selection of candidates who receive the fellowship is thus made. After the interview, in Step 10, the rapporteur updates feedback with interview findings, which must be submitted via the e-portal within a week, concluding the evaluation. This concludes the video on the evaluation procedure for the FWO postdoctoral fellows. Should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact your account administrator.